I went ahead and built this here so you can have a custom text for the start and the end of any address 777. Okay, so we're searching a bunch of addresses. Boom. I have a new Solana address 777. Awesome. And one starts with it and one ends with it. You can see I can open up, get my private key here. This is the real private key. There's nothing in there because these are just newly generated addresses, but this is fun. So you can have your own custom address on Solana. Now I could put anything in there really. You can see generated addresses and you get the ADI and the key. So you have to save those, download all keys. You know, it's fully customizable. There's zero storage, so nothing is stored on your computer or on our server or Solana native. We're using Rust. The code, I'm going to put a GitHub down below here by the end of this, but I'm also just going to show you all the code in order to run this. If you do know how to code in Rust, then I'm about to show you that here. But I'll make a tutorial video showing how to do this, and the rest of this video I'm going to show you actually the building of it, so step by step how to build something like this. So we're going to go over the code twice. First off, we're going to do it the fast way. I want you to see everything here, and you can see here we just ran through an audit, a security audit. There's no mock data, no security vulnerabilities, no data storage. So if this does get on the internet, then it will not store anybody's data, which is nice because these are very, very private things. Private key, don't share this with anybody. So when I hit refresh here, I actually killed the server, but it would tell you, hey, you know, you're about to lose your keys. So make sure to write them down. Anyways, complete README here. Let's go ahead and show you the two different files you need for generating or actually just one address here. Solana generator.rs. So you can see here all the code. I'm going to go through it really quickly, and then again, we build it all here in this video if you do want to stick around for the full thing, but I do want to help you get everything up front. So here's the Solana generator.rs. All the code, you can pause, rewind. I'm going to put the GitHub below as well, so you have access to that. Okay, there we go, dude. So yeah, that's all the code. And let me know in the comment section if you do want me to get this website up, because that's pretty easy to do for me. And then this would be accessible for anybody. But for now, you know, I'll just make sure that you see the rest of the code. You already saw the code of how to generate it, and I'll make sure the rest of the code is in that GitHub somewhere. And yeah, just let me know in the comments here if you do want me to host this, and then you'll be able to generate anything. Like I could say Moon, generate custom address, and then it's going to search for that address, and then I'll have my own custom address. Just getting a little fancy with it. I'm about to show you exactly how to make a custom address, crypto address. So if you've ever seen like those crypto addresses that have like Moon at the end, or Pump at the end, or 777 at the end, or you know, whatever you want, like the 4 digits. I think you could probably do 5 digits as well, or 5 letters or numbers, whatever you want. You can customize these. So you could say, if your name is Bob, it could say Bob at the end, or it could say Bob at the start, Bob at the end, Bob at the start, wherever you want Bob to be. I like donuts. Let's go ahead and show you how to do this, dude. So please go ahead and build a tool that generates custom addresses on the Solana network. For example, like I could put a variable at the top of this code and it'll say Moon. And then I want to generate addresses and private keys until we get X number, again, another variable at the top, until we get X number of those addresses I want. So let's start it at 5. I want to run it till we get 5 addresses that end in Moon. Make this one simple script and then save the data into a data folder. And yes, this will be for Solana for now. If you need to test it or anything, then you can go ahead and use this Conda environment. Thank you. Conda, activate, T-flow, bro. All right, let's get it, dude. This is sick. Sick. Just some fun for you. Just a little fun for you.